Hello class, welcome to Pre-Algebra Lesson 6-2, which is all about adding linear expressions. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to add linear expressions and express the sum in simplest form. Okay, so today we're going to be adding things together. Obviously, it says add there, right? We're going to add both positives with positives and also positives and negatives together and negatives, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to remind you guys is to pay attention to whether something's positive or negative. I've noticed lately that some of you have just been kind of ignoring the sign that's in front of the number, but that's really important, and that's the difference between getting something right or getting something wrong. So make sure you pay attention to the sign that's in front of each number. All right, with that reminder, let's jump into the first example. So we want to add these two linear expressions together. So a linear expression is like each of these parentheses is an example of a linear expression, okay? An expression means it doesn't have an equal sign, and an expression can have a variable, usually has a variable and then a number that's not a variable or doesn't have a variable with it. So in this case, we have a number with a variable, a number without a variable. All right. We could add them horizontally like this, but I think that you guys tend to do a little bit better if we stack them. So instead of having them written out horizontally, I'm just going to rewrite the problem so it looks like this. And I would encourage you guys to do the same, okay? And then once it has been rewritten vertically, now all I have to do is add. And you can notice that I made sure to put my x under my x and my regular number under my regular number. Okay, so now I see I do 4 plus -7. 4 plus -7 is -3. And then we still have that x with that number. And then I have a -2 plus -3. That's a -5. So your answer is -3x minus 5. And that's all you have to do today, okay? So I recommend line it up and then add them together. Okay? So I want you to try this one on your own. Good luck. Okay, for this problem, hopefully you stacked your problem and you said 5x plus -2x, because those are my like terms. 5x plus -2x is a positive 3x. And then -4 plus a positive 2 is a -2. So my answer is 3x minus 2. All right, I'm going to do another example for you. We have 4x plus 10 plus 4x minus 10. So I'm going to stack my problem. Oops, I wrote the wrong thing. 4x minus 10. All right, and I add those together. Tomorrow we're going to do pretty much the same thing, but we're going to subtract, okay? So just to give you a sneak peek of what we're doing tomorrow, or an idea of what we're doing tomorrow. So let's start with our x's. 4x plus 4x is 8x. A positive 10 plus a -10 is 0. And so that leaves us with 8x plus 0. Do we ever have to write plus 0 for something? No. So that means that we can leave our answer as 8x. All right. Last problem for today's video. I want you to go ahead and try adding these together. Good luck. Okay, for this problem, hopefully you stacked them and you said 11x plus -17x is a -6x. And then -15 plus 25 is a positive 10. So your answer is -6x plus 10. If you have any questions about this problem or anything else from the video, please be sure to ask for some help, and I'm happy to help you. Have a great day.